Welcome back to DIY with Dad and Optimus. What are we making today, Optimus?
Air condition, because it's always so hot here in Nicaragua.
We've got our hose. We've got a couple bottles,
Ice.
a cooler, and a...
Fan.
All right, we're gonna start putting this together and we'll check back with you. We've got our one bottle at the bottom, one at the top of the back. So one's going to feed air into our cooler full of ice, and the other is going to feed it back to the top of the fan, and it's going to blow nice, fresh, cold air for us for at least, I'd say at least 5 minutes. Free air conditioning. High five. Another job well done. Fire it up. Let's see how she works. Oh yeah, can you feel that nice cold air?